The layered technique of Latin dancing.
The art of dancing. A definition of all forms of dance could be activity inspired by sounds and emotions. The creation of physical movements to interpret sounds produced by musicians and who are artists and, of course, Latin dance is certainly no exception to this fundamental statement. Dancers are interpreters of music. They hear messages created by musicians and convert these sounds to physical activities. Sport dancing, athletic dancing, mass training, and similar approaches to competition Latin dancing are a new pace in progression of the style of dancing that it seems will be with us during this millennium. However, the root of the art of Latin dancing will in the future be via the mechanics of grammar schools and then on the universities of knowledge. Without making an in-depth study, one could not be blamed for concluding that this activity requires a very fit body, dedication, and strong desire to be the best of the bunch. However, if one delves a little deeper, it will become apparent that if the couples who dance the Latin style of competition dancing wish to achieve any status as competitors, then they have higher mountains to climb than the other forms of competitive human body activities. There are many major differences between sporting activities and the competition style of Latin dance. These differences are that each couple are moving together in perfect harmony with each other and with every part of each beat of the music being played. These two facts set the competition dancing well apart from all types of athletic sport. This specialized style of dancing is not a sport, neither are the dancers athletes. In the normal sense of the word, it is a very highly developed art form, an art form that a very few aficionados achieve after many years of dedication. Principles, techniques, music, characterization are fundamentals to the creation of dance as an art form. If we start from the beginning, the first thing a dancer needs is a few miracles. Unfortunately, our Creator has given this freely. All the dancers has to do is to learn how to use them properly. First, dancers need the miracle of the human body, which when given correct instructions will move and whilst moving create beautiful shapes. Then they need the miracle of the brain to control the movements of the body. Next, they need the miracle of hearing to enable them to receive the messages contained within the music being played. Then they need the miracle of mind to allow them to create imaginative characterizations of each dance. Finally, they need a soul to allow them to express feelings and emotions. Plato, the great philosopher, said, dancing is a gift from God. This is true, but it requires a lot of dedicated human efforts to perfect it is an art form. Dancers must carefully analyze every aspect of each dance to ensure that they are proud of the way they perform each movement to every beat and part of a beat in every bar of music. A difficult, demanding, but marvelous challenge. The ability to synchronize body movement with rhythmic pulses whilst creating imaginative characterization requires a combination of skills and talents. To do this effectively, dancers must have acquired a mastery of the skills and techniques necessary to perform every movement used with a natural efficiency, on balance, and in complete harmony with the music. Learn how to use their feet, ankles, and legs beautifully. Have a good understanding of the rhythmic structure of Latin music. For the man, understand the principles required to achieve sensitive but positive leading. The partnering skills required of the lady during the Latin dances are very complex. She must develop the skills required to dance solo, the skills required to follow the man by shaping leads, and the skills required when responding to physical leads by the man. Sometimes, practice to music slower and faster than the standard tempo. Be prepared for the times they may have to dance to music at these tempos. Make sure they understand why each figure is included in their routines. Personalize highlights within these figures. Customize choreography to suit their own ability and personality. Create a dance that fulfills completely the mood, atmosphere, quality, and spirit of music demands. Finally, have a great respect for each other from the two people who make up the partnership. The quality of a dancer's performance is the degree of excellence achieved by a particular moment in time. The degree of excellence achieved will be in direct proportion to the time invested. There are tendencies to think that only dedicated dancers should constantly aim for perfection, but this should not be the case because every improvement in the quality of one's dancing at all grades brings its rich reward, and one of those is comfort. Quality and comfort are very closely related.
For more information and ideas, please like and subscribe.